Hello students, in the previous video we learned how to find the factors of quadratic trinomial. Quadratic trinomial means three terms are there and the highest degree of that is 2 only. So instead of that, now in this video we are going to learn about if the degree is 3 means here, as we know that a plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. From this also we can write a cube plus, from this both 3ab is common, and in the bracket a plus b cube. Now in this here, from here, if we are taking this term here, then we can get a cube plus b cube. So a plus b bracket cube minus, because we are taking this whole term here to the left side of 0, and when we are changing the side also change, that is here 3ab into the bracket a plus b is equal to a cube plus b cube. Now in this video we are going to learn about how to find the factors of sum of cube of two terms, means a cube plus b cube. Therefore here a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b bracket cube minus 3ab, and here a plus b. As we know that a plus b bracket cube means here a plus b, and we can write a plus b bracket square, expansion of this a plus b and a plus b bracket square. And here when the base is same, then we can add their indices. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So these two are the factors of a plus b bracket cube. Second term I am writing as it is, that is 3ab and a plus b. It is equal to, now this a plus b and a plus b both common. We can take it common, a plus b into the bracket, what is remain here? A plus b bracket square minus 3ab. And a plus b bracket square means, now we expand here, square of this a plus b bracket square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 3ab. Then it is equal to a plus b, and here a square will come as it is, plus 2ab and minus 3ab, which are the like terms, and we can add this, but here this is plus, this is minus, so we have to find the difference, that is 1, and give bigger number sign, that is minus. That's why here it will come minus ab plus b square. So these are the factors of a cube plus b cube. These are the factors of a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b and a square minus ab plus b square. So using this formula we can find the factors of sum of cube of two terms. Now I am taking one example here. 125x cube plus 125x cube plus 64y cube. Now in this both term you can see both are the perfect cube. 125 is also perfect cube and 64 is also perfect cube. Now we can write in this form, 125 is the cube of 5. So 5x in the bracket and cube. Whole term here we got 5x bracket cube, that is 5 cube of 5 is 125 and cube of x is x cube, plus now 64 is cube of 4 only, so here it will come 4y bracket cube. Now we got this here in this form a cube plus b cube. Therefore now 5x bracket cube plus 4y bracket cube is equal to 5x means here it is a and here it is b. So we know the formula here, a cube plus b cube is equal to, in the first bracket a plus b. So a means here 5x plus b means 4y, and in the second bracket a square minus ab plus b square. And here we can write in the square bracket, because square is here, A means here 5x, you have to write in the bracket 5x bracket square minus AB means here 5x into 4y, then plus b square, that is plus 4y bracket square. It is equal to now 5x plus 4y. Another bracket, 5x bracket square, that is 25x square minus 5 4s are 20, x into y, x, y, and plus here 16y square, because the square of 4y is 16y square. Therefore, we got the last answer. The 125x cube plus 64y cube is equal to, into the bracket, 5x plus 4y, and another bracket 25x square minus 20xy plus 16y square. Now in this way we can find the factors if the highest degree is 3, means cube of sum of cube of two terms. Means when these two terms are given cubic, then we can find the factors of those terms by using this formula. I hope you have understood all this method or procedure how to find the factors of these terms. Thank you, students.